The Air Force Small Business Innovation Research Program has funded many critical and commercially successful technologies. This is the story of one of them. Technologies developed by the Air Force Small Business Innovation Research Program have increased the range and serviceability of electric vehicles, providing considerable environmental, reliability, and economic benefits over conventional fuel-powered vehicles. Seattle-Tacoma International Airport, the largest airport in the Pacific Northwest, is experiencing explosive growth. Over 37 million travelers use SeaTac, up from 28 million just a decade earlier, largely due to its role as a major hub for travel to and from China, Japan, and the Far East. Keeping all that running smoothly as ground crews on the go 24/7.
There's only a couple of hours in the middle of the night that we're not actually moving things around.
The baggage handling and towing vehicles, as well as the portable conveyor belts used by ground crews, are electric battery powered.
We need the equipment basically all the time. We start operating around 4 to 5 in the morning, and we're going till 1 to 2 at night sometimes, maybe later. So we have a lot of flights every day, and we need the equipment going all the time and ready for use. Morning. How's it going?
It can take hours to recharge an electric-powered vehicle, time the ground crews at SeaTac do not have.
Historically, the way these large battery packs that power electric vehicles are charged is through low voltage, long duration charging. That charging process can take 8 hours or more, and then it can take another 8 hours for the battery pack to cool off before you can actually use it again.
It was a problem AeroVironment and their founder Paul McCready had been working on for decades. Funding from the Air Force Small Business Innovation Research Program helped AeroVironment find a solution, an advanced recharging system called PosiCharge.
The SBIR funding helped us to develop a new type of fast charging system that allows us to charge multiple industrial electric vehicles at the same time from the same utility connection.
The PosiCharge system allows for multiple vehicles to be recharged in a little over an hour without emitting harmful gases or heating the battery.
Our technology allows organizations, whether they be companies or government agencies, who are operating fleets of industrial electric vehicles to manage those vehicles much more efficiently and effectively.
There are dozens of PosiCharge systems used by ground support vehicles at Seattle-Tacoma International Airport. This allows for around-the-clock operations, increased efficiency and reliability, reduced maintenance costs, and makes for a cleaner, safer working environment for ground crews.
There are PosiCharge systems in every major airport in the United States and more than 60 airports internationally. And they're supporting thousands of ground support equipment that are moving luggage and helping to manage airport operations around the world. Additionally, that same technology is in distribution centers and warehouses throughout North America.
Along with industrial uses, the PosiCharge recharging system helps the Air Force meet its mission requirements by keeping its fleets of ground support vehicles charged and ready to go at a moment's notice. In addition, the PosiCharge technology has been adapted for use by the general public in the form of a network of electric car charging stations.
This is called TurboDock. It's specifically designed for workplaces. It's a low-cost, easy-to-use system. A driver shows up to work, drives up, logs in with a smartphone, it communicates to the charger, it unlocks the charger, and all they do is unplug and plug in. The core technology behind our PosiCharge systems that was supported by the Air Force Research Lab SBIR funding has now made its way into a new market.
That new market is passenger electric vehicles. There are over 20,000 fast charging stations across America. In addition, major car makers like Ford Motor Company offer motorists fast charging home systems based on the original PosiCharge core technology. That was made possible with funding from the Air Force Small Business Innovation Research Program. Learn more at www.afsbirsttr.com.